The really important part about you asking for a lawyer is that a lawyer doesn't have to actually show up. You don't actually have to call a lawyer. You don't even have to know a lawyer. You just have to say that you want a lawyer. And that part is going to stop that part of the investigation. They can't keep asking you questions without a lawyer being present. And so the officers know that. Some will try and still get around that and still ask you questions. But either way, you've invoked your right to, one, remain silent, and number two, to have a lawyer present for all questioning. And so if they violate that, that really sets your case up well for it to be either lowered, reduced, or of course completely dismissed. Now, the most important thing in these DUI detentions is they're still going to take you to the police station. Even if you do everything that I've told you today, you don't admit to any drinking, you don't do any field sobriety tests, you don't blow into the breathalyzer, they're still going to arrest you. They're still going to say that they have probable cause. When they take you to the station in Arizona, you have to give your consent. You have to say, yes, you will provide either a blood sample with your arm or a breath sample with the Intoxilizer 8000 or 9000, which is a big machine. It's like the size of a microwave, which has a long hose. And they read you a warning that then says, if you do not give us your blood or your breath, then we're going to suspend your license for a year. You do need to say yes to that. You do not need to say yes to anything else the entire time you're with the police officer there. Yes, you do need to give them permission to draw your blood. We can then fight the case after that fact.